Welcome to my channel. I am in Pattaya and today I am thinking to go Larn to explore. Don't have any plan, but let's see. Going to see if I get any boat, then I will go there. Yeah, I got boat. It will go around in 10-15 minutes. It's quite normal boat, not fancy like wooden, but it's okay. Larn is not very far from here, and you can sit wherever you want to sit. It's very economical, like I guess it's not how much in, it's less than $1. You can get this ticket, or around $1 you get view. You can see the view of Pattaya town from here. Pattaya is very happening place, but it's most like near the sea. Everything is accessible. You can, from Bangkok is very near. Many people coming here in weekends, and nearby is Kolan. You can read that Kolan relax. You can go by speedboat also. It's little expensive, like not very much, but little than this. But you will reach there like in, I guess, 15-20 minutes. But in this normal boat, it take like, they told me, around 40-50 minutes, 30 minutes. I guess they told me. I didn't remember what they told. I tried to ask them. I was 40 only somewhere. I hope so. It's like a proper city view. You can see the from far. Sea also little. This side like have good clean sea. Boat also like little, seas look like rough. Little, not much. And it's very normal boat for, I guess this part have like deep water. And you can see the Kolan in middle of that sea now, in between Kolan and Pattaya. You can come by like anytime, like from morning they start till evening. You have boat to Kolan. I guess 5. If I will get chance to, I will post it in picture. Just chill and relax. Bring your music, like earphone something with you, and enjoy the music. Mostly people use, can see like coming in groups, so it might be good or bad experience you will get according to that, because some groups are not that good. And now near Kolan, and you can see small mountain. It's like a private island. This is like Kolan village. They have to transport everything like from this ferries only. I don't have any idea about Kolan because I didn't see any videos before. But I guess it's good. Today I came for only for day trip. Like afternoon I came and I started to come this side. just at almost like 2 o'clock. So I have to go back. Last boat I saw that 5 around. So I have to come. The other side also boat is going to Pattaya. There are speedboats. Now we are free to go. You can stay in Kolan also as well if you are like if you feel bored from Pattaya or this is Iceland, so more better than Pattaya. Like only for like who like remote areas, and maybe things get expensive here because they have to transport everything from Pattaya only. And it's small, so narrow roads. But I see homes are very good here. Just I started, I don't know where to go and just going randomly because I don't have much time. I was sleeping all till afternoon, like around afternoon. So, and you can see the tractor here. I saw many before, like so. This is their main transportation source. Because roads are narrow, so they use, I guess, tractor more than anything. And you can buy things here. From if you come like from once you like land in like Kolan, you get any cool cafes for eat also if you want to eat. And this is a cab. You will get like bus service to other side of beach, other side of like Kolan beach. I don't know name, but you can get exposed from here. They have map and they have station names, so you can come and check where you want to go. But just I want to explore by walk only, so walking only for now. Because today I don't think so I am ready for beach. Just want to explore town. These are like very big cafes, like restaurant. You can get food here, but I said some normal small cafe. You get same card. You will get 7-Eleven also here, like other side in starting. I saw that. If you rent a two-wheeler, then it's more good to explore this area. Even like I feel like Pattaya and near in everywhere in Thailand is like very cool places, so you can go and relax. But now they are opening for a lot of tourists, so I'm not sure how things will change. Like if a lot of tourists will come, then that's also not good because quality of people are not coming. Especially I saw from when I came from in my flight, a lot of people are like shouting. It's like mess. So those kind of people are coming here and making noise then. And South Asian nation, in my nation, people like maximum people are not very great in like, especially when they are in group, they are wild. I hope some decent tourists come here, then it's good. It was very good place. Just relax, chill. good vibe here. You will not get anywhere in this kind of vibe. For some people it look like modern, but other than this you have to go some remote area, then it's different. People like in India also people like Goa. I like also, but if you compare it to here, it's like different kind of vibe here. I can say beaches may be better in India as well, and no restrictions as much till now. But here have some area like if you go some part have some time, like very famous Maya beach. They have some time and they have restriction to go, so like that. But that's good. They're preserving their territories because sharks are there inside and that very remote areas as well. A lot of tourists going there. Then it will make best only. But I like Thailand is very good. People are good. Not very judgmental. Like if you especially, I travel a lot in India as well. But it's like people are like not that good. Hospitality is okay. I can say, but far better than from there you get here. Like all transparent. If you book hotel, you will get what they are saying. You will get. They will clean your bed sheet every day in budget hotel as well. But in India, no one will take care of you if you are saying staying in budget. They will say, in this budget you will not get anything else. So there's a difference. People are nice. And they are advanced cities also they have. I don't know where I'm going now. But just I thought to share with my thoughts with you while walking. Now I feel like thirsty. So looking some cafe again. I have coffee but still I feel hot. I saw some cafe in left side. Let's see. I found. I thought to take some picture of Pattaya from here. This is good cafe. Like you can see lights. If you come in night, it's more good. But beach is not that great. Like more stone. I don't know high tide now. It's very small now. Like beach is shorter. You can see Pattaya. Another side you maybe recognize Ryong, what they say. I guess Ryong is there also. Just overview, nothing much. I want to see the water how much clean. But it's okay clean. Can't complain much. Now I'm going back to because I have less time. I'm checking my watch. Same street where I was before. But on the way I will try some another street as well if I find some old home also there. They are very relaxed people I feel. They are not like greedy too much. That's the good point of Thai people. Most of them is like good, kind, not greedy. They will help you as much they can. Just be friendly and be kind with them. Then you will not face any problem because I travel a lot there. Many weeks I spent. Many times I came, but I never face any problem anywhere in Thailand. And most of the people don't recognize me as Indian, so they treat me well as well. But they complained me a lot about Indian people, about their misbehave with them. So be polite, just I can say. And if you want some to know about anything about this area, you can ask me. But only good things. Thank you for watching. I will show you in another part after this.